So you check that when you squeeze the outside rein, he goes rounder. And you follow with your seat. That's right. And you keep the jump. That's it. And then let's try keeping cantering him and going across the diagonal straight. And then do a trot transition. Because we don't want him to be running off either. So on the diagonal, do a trot transition. Good. And then somewhere pick up the left lead again. And make them round with half halts. Sponging, sponging. Yeah, you've got the jump. Now you can play a little with the connection to make them round. Sit down. This way is harder to sit, isn't it? And then trot. You've got him really around there. Are you trying to trot?
I'm trying to.
Are you?
I feel like I had him around.
You did right there when it, right after I said trot, you had him round. There, and then he's still round.